Certificate in Information Technology. Topic 6. Program and GUI Design Subtopic. Construct GUI. Learning Objective Construct Digital Element Object-Oriented Programming GUI for given scenario. College Community Cylinder presents 6.0 Graphical User Interface. GUI. Practical Calculator. How to create a new project in NetBeans ID 8.2. To add a form, right-click on the project name in the project window as shown below. A menu will be displayed. Select New JFrame Form from the menu. The following window will appear. Here, you will be asked to enter your class and package names. The project is named Calculator Co. For the class name, type Calculator Java. For the package name, type JCalculator. Click the Finish button to confirm. Run your program. The first time you run it, NetBeans will display a dialog box asking you to choose the main class to set. Explanation. There is only one class in your program, which is Calculator Java. Click OK. Your form will then appear. Notice that the form has the title you typed, along with icons to minimize, maximize, and close the form. Click X to close the program and return to the design view. Adding a text box into your Java form, JText field. With the text box selected, look at the Navigator section on the bottom left. If you cannot see it, click Window and Navigator in NetBeans. You will see JText field 1 selected in the Navigator. This section shows the objects in your form. You can also rename objects here. Right-click JText field 1 and choose Change Variable Name. A dialog box will appear. Type the new name for the text field as text paparan. The Properties panel will appear as shown. If these panels are not visible, click Window ID Tools Palette or Window ID Tools Properties from the NetBeans menu. Explanation. Object properties are settings you can change, such as background color, text, font, and more. Let's change the title. Click on the form. It will be highlighted with an orange border. The property area will show JFrame at the top. Find the title property and type Calculator in the box on the right. Next, press Enter. Form display. After you click the Finish button, an empty form will appear in the main window. The form is currently empty and has an orange border around it. The orange border means the form is selected. If you click elsewhere, the border turns blue, meaning it is not selected. Click the form again to select it. At the top, there are 3 tabs: Source, Design, and History. You are currently in Design View. Click Source to see the code. Click the Design tab again at the top. The empty form will be displayed again. On the right side, you will see 2 panels: the palette, with many items, and properties. The palette panel should look like this. Change the text property for JButton 1 by following the steps below. 1. Click the JButton 1 button. 2. Choose the text property. 3. Change the text property value to 1. Observe the result. Next, change all the calculator button texts as shown below. The default button name is JButton 1. Change this name the same way you change the text box name. Right-click in the Navigator area and choose Change Variable Name. Rename the button to BTN Sudo. Next, change all button names as shown in the example display below. Red exclamation mark and red wavy line show there is a syntax error in the code. Move the cursor to the exclamation mark to see the error message. A from the tooltip message. NetBeans shows that the error happens because the data types do not match. The text taken from the text box is a string, while number_pertama is declared as a double data type. Directly storing text from the text box into a double variable is not allowed in programming. To solve this problem, use the double.parseDouble method together with getText. The implementation is shown below. Writing the equal button code in Java Calculator. Next, let us look at what normally happens when the equal symbol button is clicked after the #, plus, button. After the #, plus, button is pressed, the user enters the second number to be added to the first number. Then, the user presses the equal symbol button to display the addition result in the calculator text box. Let us think about the program logic for these steps. When the equal symbol button is clicked, another double variable is needed to store the second number. Next, the program must add the first number and second number. The result should be stored in another double variable. Finally, the program must display the addition result in the calculator text box. Next, let us convert the program logic into the correct code. Double number_kdua. This code declares the second variable with the double data type. Number_kdua equals double.parseDouble text paparan.getText. This code gets the number entered in the calculator text box and stores it in the variable. Double hassle. This code declares the third variable with the double data type to store the addition result. Hassle equals number_pertama plus number_kdua. This code performs the addition operation for the first and second numbers. Text paparan.setText, hassle. This code displays the value of hassle in the text paparan text box. Next, check the BTN hassle code again. There is still an error that needs to be fixed. Move the cursor to the exclamation mark on the third line and wait for the next tooltip. From the tooltip message, NetBeans shows that a double value cannot be displayed directly as text in text paparan. To solve this problem, add the method before the hassle variable. Notice that the error in the NetBeans code has now been fixed. Next, run your program and observe the result as shown below. At this stage, we have successfully created program code that allows the calculator to perform addition correctly. Next, we need to add code for the other mathematical operation buttons. Follow the same steps for all mathematical operations: #, plus, tolak, darab, asterisk, and bahagi, /. Next, move the program code for BTN tolak, BTN darab, and BTN bahagi as shown in the diagram below. Then, we need to add an if condition inside BTN hassle as shown in the diagram below. Finally, we need to add program code for the BTN clear button. BTN clear is used to clear the value displayed in text paparan. The command to clear the text property is: add the following code into BTN clear.